Microsoft's acquisition streak continues. We talked about this in the intro of the video, but they are buying another company this time for $19.7 billion. It is Nuance. And I didn't see this part coming, but Nuance claims it is being used by more than 55% of physicians and 75% of radiologists in the United States and
Really?
77% of US hospitals.
That is crazy market share.
Very, very surprising to me. And it shows Microsoft getting into Medicare, sort of. Okay. So Microsoft has acquired speech recognition and AI company Nuance in an all-cash deal valued at $19.7 billion, giving it control of the firm that helped Apple process Siri queries.
Wow.
It's a bit unclear what Nuance's current dealings are with Apple. Nuance was founded in 1992 and had 7,100 employees as of September. Once completed, it will be Microsoft's second largest acquisition following its 2016 purchase of LinkedIn for $24 billion, which still confuses me. Microsoft has been on a purchasing streak with their recent acquisition of ZeniMax Media and its game publisher Bethesda Softworks for $7.5 billion in cash, and continues with closed-door talks to acquire Discord for a rumored $10 billion.
Man,
everything.
Must be nice to just have like billions and billions and billions of dollars to just kind of buy whatever businesses look kind of tasty to you and then ride them into the ground and shut them down like Mixer.
Yikes.
Sorry, too soon? Too soon?
I can see why they find Nuance interesting. I would have never guessed it would have that medical market share. Not a clue at all. If you told me it was speech recognition and AI, I wouldn't assume it was radiologists and 77% of all US hospitals. I would not have put those together at all. If this was a multiple choice question, I would have not been a verified actual gamer. It was pointed out that Dragon Naturally Speaking is one of their products. And someone in Floatplane chat actually mentioned that in healthcare IT, they often use Nuance Dragon Dictation, which is, I'm assuming, the newer or maybe corporate focused one, because doctors can't type when they're doing stuff. So it's easier to talk into a mic to actively take notes.
Oh.
Totally makes sense.
All right. And they can afford to pay for expensive voice-to-text software, I guess.
Especially with American hospital bills.
Yeah, but they don't have a phone to do that with.
That would be too difficult.
Okay. Hey, that's good to know. Well, it's probably better. And especially if they have this enormous market share in the medical space, they probably tune it to actually recognize medical terms and stuff like that.
Wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, makes sense.